Hey, it's Chris Miller Trotsorth here at the Lakenheath Commissary. And if you're shopping for a new SUV, check this out. This is the 2025 Ford Escape Active. And dollar for dollar, you are not going to find a better equipped SUV at this price point. The Escape Active gives you a nice, clean, modern style, LED lighting, rugged body cladding, confident stance. It looks sharp and adventurous without looking over the top. And it doesn't cost a fortune. Under the hood, you've got that 1.5 litre EcoBoost engine. It's smooth, it's efficient, it's ready for anything. Standard features way above what most base models will give you. Check this out on the inside. Real nice Sync 4 backup camera, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got selectable drive modes, so you can have Eco Sport, even slippery. Cruise control, Ford Co-Pilot360, loads of cool stuff. Plenty of room in the back as well. Family, friends, gear, dogs, cats, full flat seats, wide opening doors, easy to access, makes it super practical for life over here in the UK. And being the Active, you get the power tailgate, so push of a button, opens up, 60-40 split there on the seats, create even more cargo space for when you need it. At this price point, most brands will make you pay extra for this tech, safety features, and of course just the comfort. Ford just give it to you on this Active trim level. We have the Escape here now at Military AutoSource Lakenheath Commissary. If you'd like to learn more about this vehicle or any of the vehicles that we offer, you want to take a test drive, learn about our stateside delivery program, just drop us a message and we'll be happy to help. Have a great day.